Hi, I'm Dr. Nilo Hernandez, a dentist with over 3 decades of experience. I'm also the clinical director at Dentity Global, the provider of DentaKote and its sister products. DentaKote is a revolutionary polymer intended for dental applications. It provides an invisible barrier to aid against the accumulation of bacteria, plaque, and debris. Today we're speaking about the DentaKote and its application on dental bridges. As you will see, the product comes preloaded, individually sealed for one patient application. There's sufficient product on the applicator itself to conduct the application with product left over. To apply it, simply coat the bridge on all the surfaces that you believe will be attracting bacteria, plaque, and calculus. So keep in mind that you want to apply it liberally all around the bridge. Do not place any inside the prep areas, but go ahead and cover the pontic side. Now, once you're completed the application, a very critical step in the process is to take a gauze and just wipe it off. Aggressively wipe it off. The optimum thickness is 1 micron. So once you do that, you've coated the bridge perfectly. This bridge is now protected. Bacteria, calculus, pathogens will not adhere to the bridge. As you can see, once you're done, you can see that there's still product left on the applicator. So fear not, there's plenty of product on the applicator for your intended use. Visit our website to see all the resources that we offer, including marketing materials, application videos, and testimonials. Provide your patients with a new level of preventative care. With DentaKote, your patients are going to love you. For more information and for a list of our distributors, visit DentaKote.com. Thank you.